guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello as well. And today we're gonna make waffles out of freezer cinnamon rolls. You can either use like a bag of cinnamon rolls or you could buy one of those rolls and take it apart to do this. Let's go get started.
Voiceover me here. So I took some of those freezer cinnamon rolls and I warmed up the waffle maker, and then I just press them down and wait a couple minutes later. And now I have some cinnamon roll waffles. This is such an easy little trick. Oh, I use a Twix-It clip to keep my frosting nice. And then I will also use it. You can also use it on toothpaste. It's a great trick to push out all that frosting to the end, with a little bit of guidance from my fingers too. And if you're wondering, I actually learned this waffle trick from some of my friends, and it is delicious.
Okay guys, those are so delicious. I am so glad my friend taught me that little trick with cinnamon rolls. I cannot wait to do it again. Bye-bye!